told you that success is a shout. They told you if you aren't posting it, you aren't doing it. They told you that if you aren't crushing it by 6 a.m., you've already lost. But look around. It's February 2026. The noise is louder than ever, yet most people are more stuck than they've ever been. Do you want to know the secret of the people actually winning right now? They aren't shouting. They're evolving in silence. This isn't about a New Year's resolution that dies in 3 weeks. This is about the silent comeback. We are obsessed with the big break. But in a world of instant AI and overnight virality, we've forgotten the law of marginal gains. Think about it. If you get just 1% better at one thing every day, you don't just improve, you transform. By the end of the year, you are 37 times better than when you started. Your big break isn't a lottery ticket. It's the result of the boring Tuesday where you chose to stay focused for 20 minutes instead of scrolling. It's the discipline to regulate your nervous system when the world feels like it's in fight or flight mode. Success in 2026 isn't about working harder. It's about staying human in a digital world. The greatest theft of our time isn't money. It's your attention. Every app, every notification, every trending crisis is designed to keep you reactive. But a leader is never reactive. A leader is intentional. Mental resilience is the new wealth. It's the ability to sit with your own thoughts without needing a distraction. It's the courage to say no to 100 good things so you can say yes to the one great thing. You don't need more time. You need more focus. Your comeback starts the moment you stop letting the algorithm decide your mood. Maybe 2025 didn't go the way you planned. Maybe you feel like the world is moving too fast and you're being left behind. Good. Use that. Resilience isn't just toughing it out. It's adaptation. When the wind changes, you don't complain about the wind. You change your sails. The most successful people right now are the ones who failed the most last year because they have the most data on what doesn't work. Your mistakes weren't detours. They were the training ground. You don't need a standing ovation to start. You don't need a like to be valid. You just need to show up for yourself when no one is watching. The results will eventually speak for themselves. For now, stay quiet, stay hungry, stay human. Your comeback starts now.